What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you how to hook up a USB keyboard that runs into the computer and also use a Talkbox. This one happens to be one I made out of a guitar practice amp. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to make it. But that 1/4-inch jack there, that runs up into my audio interface and it plugs into the headphones jack. And I mean, your mixer or your audio interface is going to be different, but you put control room on, turn the control room volume down, and then use the headphones volume for the loudness of your Talkbox. Now, if you don't have that, you can also use a volume slider on your keyboard. If you don't have that, then down here you would simply use the volume and the gain. Of course, depending on what you're going for, you really don't want to use the gain, so you have that rolled off, but you have the volume control there. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to hook up your microphone into a channel and adjust stat level, and then you're going to take the Talkbox tubing, which is here, and you're going to put that in your mouth and use the keyboard. And the other thing you're going to need is your DAW, which the DAW I'm using is Reaper, and you're going to load your VTS instrument, and that's how you're going to get your sound. So it's just going to sound like this. When the sun rises, I wake up and there's my dream. And you go for some Black Label Society if you want.